Salesforce starts easy. Point, click, and you've got a working CRM with no code. Start there. But out of the box, it can't do everything your business needs. Eventually, a task gets too complex for clicks, and someone falls back on a spreadsheet to do what the CRM can't. That's the limit of clicks, and where development begins. Development goes further. With Salesforce's coding tools, Apex, Lightning Web Components, and APIs, developers build what clicks can't. Custom logic, custom screens, and links to your other systems. That's custom apps, a CRM rebuilt around how your team works, mobile tools for the field, and connections to software Salesforce won't link to on its own. In 2026, this matters more because of AI. Agentforce, Data Cloud, and Einstein only work well on clean data. Build it right, and AI makes you faster. Build it messy, and it just makes mistakes faster. And when CRM projects fail, it's usually not the software. About 2/3 of the time, it's the team. So the real question is, who builds it? Are they Salesforce certified? Do they test and release safely? Have they done it in your industry? And does it last? Salesforce updates 3 times a year. Good code keeps working. Rushed code breaks. The best teams don't just add features, they clean up the mess that builds up over time. Anyone can add. Few know what to remove. In-house, a partner, or both. Your team knows your business. A partner brings skills you can't keep on staff. Most companies now use both. Clicks give you a CRM, engineering makes it last. Minuscule Technologies has built Salesforce the engineering way since 2014. 160+ certified experts, 75+ projects, and a habit of fixing the mess, not adding to it. Book a free call